Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Sabrina Wasabi. We are from group number 1. Today we will present about application of information technology about our report. In this fast-paced modern business landscape, the ability to manage and leverage information efficiently is no longer just an advantage, but has become a key pillar of an organization's success and survival, especially for entities experiencing rapid growth. This comprehensive report was specifically formulated to delve into the analyze the critical management challenge currently faced by Ms. Jen, a determined and visionary female entrepreneur who has successfully founded and developed a private tuition center known for its innovative approach. In this fast-paced modern business landscape, the ability to manage and leverage information efficiently is no longer just an advantage, but has become the pillar of organization survival. Recognizing the urgent need to revamp Ms. Jane data management system to match the growing scale of her business, this report was created with the main objective of proposing, planning and detailing the development and implementation of a relation database management system RDBMS using the Microsoft Access platform. As part of a team of training at this innovative tuition center, we are determined to make the most of our knowledge and skills in the field of information technology. Our aim is to provide Ms. Jane with a data management solution that is not only practical and effective, but also intuitive and user-friendly, enabling her to manage her business operation more smoothly and effectively. Through the implementation of this Microsoft Access-based data management system, this report aims to ensure increased productivity in daily operations, ensure accurate and consistent data accuracy, and empower Ms. Jen to make more accurate and data-driven strategic decisions. Ultimately, by streamlining daily operations and increasing data management efficiently through the use of appropriate technology, this report is expected to contribute significantly to the continued success and future expansions potentially of her tuition center, thus positioning it is as the best example of effective business management in the digital age. This is example of methodology that we have been used. For figure 1 is the connection between the use cases and the actor, which is figure 1 shows how the use cases and the actor are connected in the system's use case diagram. The primary use cases are student data, student fee record, dashboard, income menu, and expenses record. Students can sign up for the applications through the student data use case. After registering, students also can access the student fee record system. Once logged in, admins can manage the dashboard and access the income menu and expenses record. The sequence diagram in figure 2 and figure 3 is illustrated the requirements translation into the computer system functionally. These diagrams include attitudes, attributes, and operations for the applications. Figure 2 shows sequence diagram for user registration. Meanwhile, figure 3 sequence diagram for the fee record. To represent the model system requirements, we employ the Unified Modeling Language (UML), which is the use case diagram, and the sequence diagram are the two interactive diagram included in this model. The use case diagram displays the element of the system structure, while the sequence diagram explains how various system components interact with one another. The Draw.io program was used to produce this diagram.
Hi, my name is Maisila Tuntama Fandi, A22A0539. In slide 4, we have database student info and tuition package. We move on the first part of the system, which is the database. In this section, there are two main tables. The first table is student info. We store student details such as name, gender, phone number, age, email, state, school name, parents name, and registration date. The second table is tuition package, which lists information related to tuition package, include package type and their respective price. Both tables are linked to help manage student data and tuition fees more efficiently. Moving on the second part, which is form. Here, we use the fees form to make payment, data entry more organized. The form include fields such as student name, payment amount, and data. Additionally, we have the expenses category form, which is used to input expense information according to categories. These forms are crucial in ensuring that all information is recorded accurately and neatly. Moving on the second part, which is form. Here, we use the fees form to make payment, data entry more organized. The form include fields such as student name, payment amount, and data. Additionally, we have the expenses category form, which is used to input expense information according to categories. These forms are crucial in ensuring that all information is recorded accurately and neatly.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Hisham bin Muhammad Saleh and my matrix number is A22A1209. First of all, a list of fees. This query displays all the payment that have been recorded by student. It serves as a foundation for financial reporting and payment status checking. Next, we have a list of student info. This query contains complete student details such as a name, address, phone, and it helps in identifying students easily and facilitates communication between the center and the parents. Tuition package. This query shows the list of tuition package offered. It's important for registration, reference, and revenue reporting based on the package. Next, fees by month. Organized by payment data by month and allows the management to view monthly financial flows. Fees by school. List of the total payment received from student of each school. It's help in identifying the school that contribute. Fees by tuition package show the total collection based on the type of tuition package. The next one is a fees receipt, used to automatically generate payment receipt every time a payment is made. It reduces human error and speed up processes. Then receipt fees display the most recent payment made by student. It very useful during daily or weekly review session. Next is total fees, calculates the total amount of the payment collected. And overall financial report of the tuition center. And the last one is updates price. This query is used to update price in the system for the certain package, especially when there are price changes set by the management.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Ahmad Hafal bin Ahmad Kamil. My metric number is A22A0067. Fees receipt. A fees receipt is an official document issued after a payment is made. Its main function is to serve as proof of payment for things like tuition fees, services or purchase. In IT system, a fees receipt also records important details such as the receipt number, transaction date, amount paid, the payer's name, and the payment method. Additionally, it helps with financial tracking, audits, and make it easier for users to refer back to their payment when needed. Fees menu. A fees menu is a section in an application or system that displays all the different types of fees users need to pay. It shows details such as total income by package, total income by school, fee by month, and expenses by category. The purpose of the fees menu is to help users easily view, select, and manage their payment in an organized way.
My name is Virendra Vijayan. My metric number is A22A0817. Today I would like to talk about the problems raised by this database. The query design in Microsoft Access lets users define which data to retrieve and under what condition. In Lab 3.2, incorrect data was entered in the query design, causing the expenses list to show empty results. To fix this, the incorrect data needs to be corrected so the query can retrieve and display the right information. Thank you. Next, the conclusion is this project successfully developed a Microsoft Access-based RDBMS for Puan Jane's Tuition Center to handle growing data and transaction. The system streamlines students' record fee management with auto-receipt and categorized expense tracking. It also generates useful reports like income by package, school, and monthly profit and loss. Thank you.